Maisie's first day home. Are you eating grass? Maisie. Hey. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. No, I gotta pick up those leaves, probably. Maisie. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, that's a tree. That's a tree. Is it good? Do you like your home? Do you like your home, little girl? Do you like your home? Maisie, Maisie. Woohoo! Watch that cement there, you're knocking your teeth on. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Yes. Yes. Oh, hello. Hello.